Civil Plus application has the capability to calculate the LA or land acquisition evaluation for the site. Let's start with importing your pre-con drawing into the Civil Plus application. As you can see, I have drawn a project boundary for normal AutoCAD polyline. And next, I'm going to calculate the area for this project boundary as well as the bearing over distance for each of the border. In Civil Plus, it is called parcels. I'm going to convert the AutoCAD object into Civil Plus parcel. I can tell on the model what data I want to show. Once you run the command, Civil Plus will process the area as well as bearing over distance of the project site. You can also determine the edge coordinates for this boundary. To do that, I'm just going to create a point from points command in Civil Plus. As you can see, there is an X marker at the edge of the boundary. Once I've completed that, I can turn on the data in this model. I can tell the model to show the northing and easting condition or location for each of the boundaries. You can also turn off the contours without disturbing the data in the DWG file. Next, you might need to create the right-of-way for the access road. Before that, we need to create the alignment for the access road. When you create the alignment, you can set the design speed as well as to use the Arahan Technique JKR or the RIM standard. Once you have created the road alignment, Civil Plus will automatically calculate the new area for that road. Next, we will create the right-of-way inside Civil Plus. You can determine the width of your road, whether you want to create fillet or chamfer at the junctions, and Civil Plus will automatically calculate the area that you have acquired for that road. If the label is overlap, feel free to move the label to any other location and the leader will be created automatically. You can also subdivide the parcels into equal area subdivision. That is still under the parcels command in the Civil Plus application. But first, we need to determine what is the area for this property number 2. Let's say we want to divide this property number 2 into 10 equal areas. Therefore, each lot will have 2,500 meters square area roughly. I'm going to run and create a 2,500 meters square area for each of the lot, and I'm going to create the lot based on angle. I can also turn on the area automatically when I subdivide the land into 10 equal area. Next, I'm just going to follow the command line for the clues to input the data. As you can see, once you have completed the command, Silver Plus will automatically subdivide the area into 10 equal areas having the same area, which is 2,500 meters squared.